Pwede, pwede. Oh, ano na nangyari sa mga kasama ko? Ano? Kamusta? Kamusta?
Pagod.
Pagod?
Pagod.
What if tawagin namin si Terry dito? Gusto niyo? Gusto niyo?
Ako, ang lakas ng mga sigaw talaga.
Tawagin namin si Terry
yan
dito?
yung pinaka-iniisang ko talaga.
Gusto niyo si Terry dito?
Ayun na, ayun na.
Terry, come here.
Oh, hey, Terry!
Magandang gabi, Manila! Ako si Terry Jong. It's so nice to meet you guys here. It's my pleasure to be here tonight with y'all and we SB19.
Yeah!
For those who don't know, Terry is one of the producers who helped us make this Moonlight. So, props.
Everyone, a round of
Terry
applause
Jong.
for Terry.
Terry Jong, everyone.
Alam mo, may napansin ako kay Terry Jong. Parang may pinapanood ako dati na kamukha niya.
Sino?
Hindi ko sure correct me if I'm wrong. Kamukha niya ba si, Sung Joong Ki?
Oh, yeah. No, di ko naman si
You know him? You know him?
Oh, come on. I know him.
Ayun, so
Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
by the way,
Oh my
Terry,
God.
how are you finding the Philippines so far?
I'm a little overwhelming though.
Why? What about the crowd? Because of the crowd?
Yeah, the crowd is
They love you
crazy.
so much, right? You love Terry?
He said the crowd is crazy. Let him know how crazy you guys are! That's good.
Because of that, do you mind if we dance Moonlight for them?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Do you know the
Should I do it? All right, let's do it.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's do a TikTok.
Come on, 18, let's make some noise for Terry Jong!
Okay.
Let's dance together, guys.
Everyone dance
Join
with us,
us.
okay?
Let's do Moonlight with Terry. Okay, let's go, music, play! Let's cheer Terry! Let's cheer Terry! Let's go!
1, 2, 3.
Moonlight.
Adieu.
Make some noise for Terry Jong!
Thank you guys.
At syempre, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. If you like Terry so much, the stage will be now set on fire by Terry
Jong!
Let's go.
Let's go, Terry!
Manila, baby, you guys ready to party?
I guess we missed last call. Too into each other to notice they turned on the lights. It's that kind of night. I walk you to your car, but it's not a good idea for either of us to drive. So how about we ride? I'll get us an Uber back. We can go back to my place. Kick your heels off at the doorway. Why does the night have to end? Just 'cause the bartender said, won't you come in for a night? One more drink with you wouldn't be so bad. I thought we'll just fall in the bed, but if we fall in love instead, would you let it on night? Only one way to know. Won't you come in for a I bet you like to see the view from the balcony that I've been telling you about. Isn't it wild? Let's get more wasted for free. I'll make you a drink, you can make yourself comfortable right on this floor of the couch.